Today, we unveil the best kept secret on the internet, a website that offers over 300 skills for free. This website covers a vast spectrum of skills, neatly categorized for easy exploration. Whether you're looking to enhance your career, feed your curiosity, or simply explore new hobbies, this secret website has something for everyone. So to get started, just head over to your browser and search mindlawstar.com. Then you'll be directed to the website where you have to create your account or login. But for my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So here I'm logged in, and in this website there are a list of digital and real-life skill options you can select and start learning for free. This website will guide you through your learning journey and provide you necessary tools you will need to speed up and improve your skills for free. So that's all for it. I'll leave the website link in the description below for easy access, so you go check it out and figure out how to use this. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in my next video.